My exam is very close and I have not started my preparation till now. What shall I will write in my exam? And I'm really in very trouble. Wait, what exam and about what things am I talking? I shall tell you everything. Before that, please do subscribe to our channel and welcome to our channel. And I hope all of you are well and doing well in your life. You can see that this is a book, and I am doing my second MA from Netaji Subhash Open University. And you can ask me that what is the purpose of doing double MA in this age and what will be benefit of it. The friends, my answer will be that I did not get 50% marks in my first MA, which I completed in 2013, and because of for some point marks, or you can say that I did get 49.38% marks, and it is my desire to get 50% marks in examination, and that is why I have started again to uh, fulfill my unfulfilled desire of getting 50% marks in MA, and that is why I choose to do it again. And this year my exam is coming very soon for 2026 years. My exam is starting from 12th January onwards of 2026, and it will happen in every Sunday or Saturday of every weeks, and it will take 4 weeks, and after that my second MA will complete. But the main thing is that, friends, as you know, in this channel we are trying to learn spoken English, and on that topic we are uploading videos regularly. So friends, the main thing is that we have to practice our spoken English, and that is why I am making this video again. And you can see me that I am on the top of our roof, and the season is winter, and today is Saturday, and I thought to start my examination preparation because it is coming too close. And as you know that in this age of 32-34 years, we are not a regular type of student, and that is why we have so many tasks to do for our families. We have another jobs to perform. After that, as I thought to make my MA again, so that is why I have to take some preparation definitely, otherwise it will not be completed. And the main thing is that my desire to get 50% marks will not be completed. That is why, friends, I have started my preparation from yesterday onwards, you can say, and it is very close. It is starting on 12th January, and it will completed in 4 weeks, as it is as I am doing it from Netaji Subhash Open University, and it is a open university, and it is very helpful for student like us who are not regular student, but they can complete their unfulfilled graduation or MA degree, or there are lots of degrees also which they can choose and can fulfill it. So friends, that is why. And in this channel we are trying to learn spoken English, and I hope all of you are enjoying this. Sorry, friends, spoken English, it's not a thing that you can be able to achieve in a few days. You have to be patient, you have to give some times, you have to follow it regularly, and you may listen so many instructions, but the main thing is that you have to practice regularly. After your regular practice, you will be able enough to get your desired result, and that is why, friends, it is my suggestion, please do practice, try to speak yourself, and don't think about mistakes are very common, and it will come in your life, and it has come to everyone's life, those who have tried to learn anything new. And through our mistakes we have to improve our spoken English and everything whichever we want to achieve. And as we want to achieve spoken English fluency in this channel, so we have to think about spoken English in this channel. Okay, friends, so main thing is that we have to speak it out, and whenever you will try to speak, you will feel or you will face so many mistakes, and we have to overcome that mistakes. After our overcoming mistakes, so you will get our desired result, but we have to speak it out, we have to follow our regular routine, we have to practice regular basis, we have to give 10 to 15 minutes regularly, and we can follow so many methods, but the main thing is that we have to speak. after our spoken practice, we will be able enough to get our spoken English fluency. And nowadays there are so many apps also. You can follow those apps, or you can get help of the apps which are very helpful to make us a fluent spoken English speaker. Okay friends, so I hope you are doing well in your life and you are practicing spoken English regularly, because regularity is very essential in every task. Otherwise it become a little tough for us to get anything desired. Okay friends, so please continue your spoken English regularly, and I hope you will be able enough to get your spoken English fluently very soon. But the one thing is, again I will tell that you have to follow your routine. You have to speak it out regular basis. Okay friends, so we shall be with another spoken English video very soon. Till then, be good and be healthy and keep practicing. Thank you.